Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a lead magnet in Canva. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to Canva, log into your account, then at the top search bar search for ebook, and then scroll down and click on the one you like, and then click on customize this template. Now first of all you can start off by changing all of the text according to your business or brand. So make sure to change the name to your name, and you can scroll down and do all of this page by page. But for example, if there are some excess pages, make sure to click on the delete button to delete the pages. Now for example, if you want to add a chart on the left hand side, go to elements, scroll down, and you'll see charts over here. Click on the one you like, and on the left hand side you can change the data according to the chart. Now if you want to change the images on the left hand side, go to upload, and now click on upload files, and now here add the pictures you want from your computer and drag them over here, and it will be replaced over here inside the page. And now again change the title and do customization according to your need. Now if you want to shrink the size of the text box, make sure to click on it to select it. Now at the top menu, make sure to click on the minus icon to decrease the size of the text box. Now for example, if you want a sticker on the left hand side, go to elements, again scroll down and you'll see stickers over here. Choose the one you like and click on it, and it will be added over here. If you want to add another text on the left hand side, click on text, and now click on add a text box, and now you can write anything on it as well. Now at the top you can also rename the entire design. Once you're done editing, on the top right hand side click on share, and now click on download. Make sure to choose PDF standard as a file type, or for example if you only have one image, make sure to choose JPEG or PNG. Now click on download, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.